Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G60S to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both of them, clicking on the search bar and typing in Send Anywhere. Now install this free app from this developer and choose Open. After that, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. It's some kind of error over here. It's gone, but I will show you on this one anyways. So open, I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select receive on an Android and send on Motorola. Then tap on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only this one file. Choose send and tap on got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on an Android, choosing allow or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also go back and simply input this key over here. Then tap on receive and wait. And now as you can see, my file, just a second, was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!